That's right. Good job. Hands. That's
Yeah,
right.
hands. See, open it up to make sure.
Okay, how about, which one says duck? Duck. That's right. That is a duck. Good job.
Yes.
Okay, how about,
Stand up.
that's okay. How about horse? Which one says horse?
Stand up, baby. Stand up. So you can see horses. Where's
Which
the
one
horses?
says horse? There's
Good
the horse.
job. Yay.
Yay, good job. There you go. You take the card. Okay, how about moon? Which one says moon? That one, that's right.
Good
Here you go.
job.
Here you go, Madison. Take the card. Okay. What about hat? Which one says hat? No. Which one says hat?
Put it back. Which one say hat? Which one
Which
say
one says
hat?
hat? That
Good
one.
job.
That's right. Okay.
Hat.
What about doggy? Which one says doggy? Which one's a doggy? That's right. That's the doggy. What does the doggy sound make? Woof, woof, woof. Okay. What about which one says hi?
Hi. Stand up. Which one say hi?
That one.
Yeah,
That's right.
Good job.
She's all. Okay.
Madison, come on. Let's see. Let's almost finish. Come on, come on, come on. Let's finish this.
Okay. Go ahead, Mom.
Which one say finger? Stand up. Which one say finger? Good job.
Show us your fingers. Which ones are your fingers? Where are your
Okay.
fingers at, Madison? Oh, what's
Put
that
it down.
one?
Put it down.
What was
Which
that?
one say eyes? Madison. Madison, what you want to say? Eye. She don't want to pray no more.